guys, welcome back to Fatima Does the Makeup. We are doing a video after so long, as usual. हर वीडियो में मैं यही बोलती हूँ, but today's video is special. Today I'm doing a Malaysia haul. So recently मैं मलेशिया गई थी, कुआला लंपुर, and वहाँ पे मैंने बहुत shopping की है. And in today's video I'm going to share all of that with you guys. So are you excited? Because I am. And let's get started with today's video. Let's get started with my favorite category, which is makeup, of course. So there's a store called Watsons, जो मलेशिया का drug store है जहाँ पे सारे makeup products मिलते हैं. And I went there and I got not a lot but quite a few makeup products. So let's see what I have. First thing that I have, it's from Essence. It's called the Brightening Up. So it's basically a banana powder. So you do get Essence products in India, but India में हमेशा out of stock रहता है, and especially the popular products. So when I saw कि वहाँ Watsons में Essence है, I ran to Essence and I got a bunch of products from Essence. So this is the banana powder and I haven't tried. I haven't even opened it yet. I just arrived like 2 days back. So I haven't opened it, but I think it's pretty good. Because all of the Essence products are very good, and Shreya Jain highly recommended this and one more product which I'm going to show you next. So I'm pretty excited how to use it. Next thing, the OG Essence Make Me Brow, which is this. I don't know if it's visible. Let me try focusing it. Yeah, I think now it's visible. So this is the Essence Make Me Brow, जो कि इंडिया में हमेशा out of stock रहता है. मैं 2-3 साल से नायका से ट्राई कर रही हूँ कि खरीदूँ, but every single time it is out of stock. So finally मलेशिया से मुझे ये चीज़ खरीद के लानी पड़ी, and I'm very excited to try it out. Again, ये भी अभी open नहीं हुआ है, so but I'm pretty excited to use it. Also from Watsons, I got this pore cleaning mask. So this is a simple pore clearing clay mask. You know, I am all for clay mask. मतलब मुझे clay mask बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. It really cleanses my skin, and I was like, ये दिखा. I think it was around 20 ringgit something. So I just felt, why not? Let me just try it out. So I got this very random purchase, trust me. So yeah. So the next thing that I have, it's a lipstick. It was from a brand called Silky Girl. I just saw it. It was on some offer on my layai, and this is how it is. I hope ये focus हो रहा है. Focus ना होना has been a problem since I started shooting video. But anyways, it's a lip cream. I think it had really good offer, and guess who recommended it to me? ChatGPT. Yes. Standing in Watsons, I'm asking ChatGPT कौन से अच्छे brands हैं जिसके अच्छे products हैं, and one of which it recommended was this, and ये sale पे भी था, so I just got it. I hope it turns out good. Next thing that I got from Watsons was this Tiger Balm. ये तो बहुत famous है. I mean, Thailand में बहुत famous है. I don't know, people get it from Thailand. मुझे दिखा Watsons में तो मैं ले आई. And yeah, it's a tiny bottle of balm. This is how it looks. I have opened, for a change, I have opened one product. This is how it looks. I mean, the good old balm. I don't know इसमें अगर कुछ बहुत special है, but yeah, just got it for my mom. So next product that I got, it's called a body glow shimmer. It's from the brand called The Colorist. ये मुझे Genting Highlands में मिला था, and it was pretty cheap. Oh, about those उनके prices, if I remember, I'll add it. If I've not added, then I'm sorry, I don't remember. This body glow thing was, I think, for under rupees 200 in Indian prices, and that's when I thought, okay, ये तो बहुत ही cheap है, so let me just get it, and I got it. मैंने store में try किया था. This is very good. This is like a strobe cream, but इसका quantity, it's basically a body shimmer. इंडिया में उतना नहीं मिलता, and especially if you get a big bottle, वो use नहीं होता. So when I saw this is a small piece and it was cheap, I'm like, let me just get it. And I swatched it also, और वो अच्छा था. So yeah. Next thing that I got is this nice cute little earring. So I got this from Genting Highland, and it's from a brand called Lovisa, and it's really pretty tiny earrings. Next random purchase is this fridge magnet, which has my friends all over it. So it's 5 of us. So basically वहाँ पे Central Market में you can just customize these fridge magnets. तो मैंने I got 5 of it for 5 of my friends. You can see 5 people in this picture. I will add a better picture. And I also got one customized of me and my sister. So okay, for your reference, I went to this trip with my sister. So yeah, I forgot to mention it. But yeah, so I got this fridge magnet, customized it. I will attach a better picture so you can see the whole thing going on, and it's really pretty. Okay, next I have a large number of snacks. I got a bunch of snacks. कुछ मैंने local shop से लिया, कुछ मैंने 7-Eleven से लिया. सो हाउ आई विल मेक इट इज़ पहले नॉर्मल वाले, फिर एंड में जो मैंने 7-Eleven से लिया वो सारे स्नैक्स के बारे में बात करेंगे. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड इन नो पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर. Actually, I have an order. Okay. The first thing that I have is this big Cocoa Ball Crispy. So basically ये chocolate balls है जिससे बहुत कुछ कॉर्नफ्लेक्स टाइप का बहुत क्रिस्पी इसका आउटर कवरिंग है. मुझे टेस्ट कराया था, ये मैंने सेंट्रल मार्केट से लिया. ये उन्होंने मुझे टेस्ट कराया था और ये बहुत अच्छा लगा था. सो आई जस्ट गॉट दिस. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दिस माइलो चॉकलेट्स, द नगेट्स. ये भी मैंने सेम स्टोर से लिया है, सेंट्रल मार्केट से. उसने मुझे टेस्ट कराया और ये बहुत अच्छा लगा. सो आई एक्चुअली गॉट लाइक 2 of these. Milo is a thing there. I don't know, but it's a thing there. Next, I have their local tea, which is apparently very viral there. This is how it looks like. It is an instant tea और इसके अंदर 12 पैक्स है. आई थिंक वो टी बैग्स होंगे जो आप जस्ट डिप करके चाय पी सकते हो. इट्स एन इंस्टेंट टी मिक्स. आई हैवंट ट्राइड इट येट, बट वो वहाँ का फेमस टी है. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ फेमस टी, सो इट्स दैट. आई डोंट नो हाउ इट इज़. आई विल टेस्ट इट एंड इफ आई लाइक इट विल लेट यू नो. टी से निकल के आते हैं अब कॉफ़ी पे. सो आई हैव दिस इज़ द वायरल वाइट कॉफ़ी. ये मैंने मलाक्का से लिया था, बट आई थिंक आपको केएल में भी मिल जाएगा. इस पे भी प्राइस नहीं लिखा. आई डोंट रिमेंबर द प्राइस. इफ आई रिमेंबर एनी ऑफ द प्राइस आई विल write it on the screen somewhere. So this is how the white coffee looks like. ये भी instant. So how it is different is white coffee has apparently a lot of milk in it and ये सब premix है, तो you just put it and have it. Premix में milk भी होता है and sugar भी होता है. मैंने जो लिया है उसमें sugar नहीं है, milk है शायद. So we just have to mix it in water and have it. I haven't tried it. I'll try it. Let's hope it's nice. Next I have from the same shop is this cookies. ये भी वो the same old shop that I got in Malacca. I got these on the Jonker Street, which is the famous street market, Chinatown in Malacca. So I got these cookies. Next random purchase I have are these chocolates. These are the Petronas Twin Tower chocolates, जो कि मैंने Petronas Twin Tower के स्टोर से लिया. मतलब उसके अंदर जो सोवेनियर स्टोर होता है उसके यहाँ से मैंने ये चॉकलेट्स लिए हैं. दीज आर इन 10 boxes and they look really pretty. Next random purchase are these sand cookies. So वहाँ का कोई famous chocolate brand है, it's called Beryl's. तो ये वहीं से है. इसके और भी बहुत सारे चॉकलेट्स हैं. This is called the sand cookies, which is I think some chocolate cookies, and it was pretty good. I remember I tasted this and this was like pretty good. I have got a bunch of more chocolates from Beryl's. One is this tiramisu chocolate. Then this is also tiramisu for some reason. Okay, this is classic tiramisu and this is dark chocolate tiramisu. And then we have a durian fruit ka chocolate. So this fruit is basically वहाँ का कुछ national fruit है. Everywhere you go you'll see this fruit. इसका smell हर जगह आता रहता है. I didn't try it for some reason because my sister didn't like the smell of the fruit. So we didn't end up trying out this, but I did get a chocolate to just try out the fruit. Next very random purchase is this Kit Kat. Yeah, we have Kit Kat in the dark chocolate variant. This is how it looks like. Before I was going to Malaysia, I was very excited कि जो जितने इंडिया में मिलते हैं मुझे उसके Malaysian versions try करने हैं. I do have Dairy Milk and Nutella also upcoming. So yeah. Okay, so next let's start with 7-Eleven snacks. So I got a bunch of snacks from 7-Eleven. So let's get started. This is the first one. Random. Everything is very random here. So this is dried broccoli chips. And okay, this is baked and this is jackfruit. And I have one more. I have everything kept here. So let me just take it. And this is dried strawberry chips. I haven't tried any of this, but I'm pretty excited. And good thing is ये सारे baked हैं. So low calories. Healthy option. Maybe. Next random purchase is these chips. They are similar to Pringles, but this was some special ghost pepper collection जो कि मुझे बहुत exciting लगा, तो मैं लेके आई हूँ. I'm gonna just try it out. Should I try it? Let me try something on camera. So let me just open it. And oh my god, what if it's very spicy? It's weird. Okay. It's black in color first of all. It has pepper, like तीखा तो है. बहुत तीखा after effect है. Shit, I think I should eat something to cool it down. So let me try this Milo chocolates. Oh, I have these mini packets. So I'll just open one. Let me try it. Finally मैंने on camera कुछ तो try किया. Wasn't expecting ये खुल नहीं रहा है. This is this Mayo chocolates and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Very good. I love it. Can I have one more? Of course I can, because my sister isn't here. She also shopped a lot, like I think more than me she shopped. Okay, next most random purchase is from 7-Eleven. It's the dairy milk. Yeah, the good old dairy milk जो कि इंडिया में मिलता है, बट मुझे मलेशिया का ट्राई करना था कि कैसे वो इंडिया से डिफरेंट है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसका पैकेजिंग डिफरेंट है. सेकेंडली ये थोड़ा थिक भी है. एंड थर्डली एक्सपेंसिव भी था. लाइक यहाँ तो हमें 10 रुपये का ऐसा मिल जाता है. यहाँ वहाँ आई थिंक ये 40-50 INR का होगा आराम से. I will put the prices if I remember. Then I have the Nutella. This is, if you can see, ये भी Nutella का कोई chocolate है. Water filled with hazelnut, spread with cocoa. Okay. ये भी मुझे like very random. I wanted to try some Nutella products, so I got this. Next I have, oh by the way, if I'm looking down, because everything is here, so don't mind if I'm looking down too much. Next I have is this mee goreng. Mee goreng, the classic Malaysian noodles. Uska ye cup noodles. I really wanted to try. Let's see. Let's hope it's nice. One thing good about Malaysia is, oh, sorry if it's making too much noise. One thing good about Malaysia is everything is halal. So, you know, you can just pick up anything. Mostly it's halal. You have to check for a halal label. So if you check, it's gonna have something like this. If it's focusing, you know. So everything there is halal mostly, and they will have a label. तो वहाँ कुछ भी खरीदना is very simple, easier compared to other places. And then we have the next cup noodles, which is the hot chicken flavored ramen. Very very random purchase. मतलब mee goreng तो मैं सोच के भी गई थी कि लूँगी. ये ramen is very very random. Let me try it out. I wish ये बहुत ज़्यादा तीखा ना हो, but we can always control the spice. Next I have these very random crackers. ये भी 7-Eleven में पड़ा हुआ था एक रैक पे. I just picked it up. These are I think namkeen snackers, baked not fried. I like this thing कि वहाँ पे नॉर्मल स्टोर्स में भी बहुत बेक्ड ऑप्शंस है. इंडिया में होते हैं बट आपके नॉर्मल सुपरमार्केट में उतने ऑप्शंस नहीं होते हैं. Then I have this. Okay, this is chocolate flavored popcorn. This is I think by 7-Eleven itself. ये पिचका हुआ है because I had to take out the air because पैक नहीं हो रहा था. We had too much to pack. So this is it. Next very random thing I have is this tumbler. This is a color changing tumbler. So अगर I think कहीं तो लिखा था. Yeah, it has 3 designs. So अगर hot color है above 45 degree तो अलग color रहेगा, below 15 degree अलग color रहेगा, और इन दोनों के बीच में भी अलग color रहेगा. This is how it looks like, and it has a 7-Eleven labeling which I don't like. And it is fiber. It's a normal flask. The only unique thing about this is ये color changing है. Let me try out and see कितना color changing है. This was, इसकी अलग story है इसकी pricing की. I remember this. I saw it on the shelf for 10 ringgits लिखा था, which is around 220 Indian rupees. But जब बिल हुआ, which was around 40 ringgits, जो इसका आता है around 800 to 900 rupees. Which, I mean, I wouldn't buy a flask for that much, that too from 7-Eleven. So, I don't know, let's hope it turns out very good. So, we are done with 7-Eleven, and next most random thing is this teddy bear. If you can see, this is actually not a teddy bear. I'm gonna attach a photo कि ये किसका है. So basically वहाँ का एक बहुत फेमस कैफ़े है. वहाँ के कॉफ़ी में ये स्ट्रॉ में अटैच करके देते हैं, एंड इट्स प्रीटी वायरल देयर. एंड ऑब्वियसली ये वायरल प्लेसेस तो मेरा फुल टाइम जॉब है, नॉट फुल टाइम जॉब बट वायरल प्लेसेस जाना मुझे बहुत पसंद है. सो या आई वेंट देयर एंड आई गॉट दिस नाइस छोटू सा टेडी बेयर विच इज़ वेरी क्यूट. दे हैव अ होल क्लोथिंग स्टोर देयर, एंड उसके साइड में कैफ़े है जहाँ कॉफ़ी और हर एक ड्रिंक में वो ये टेडी बेयर लगा के देते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट वेरी रैंडम परचेज इज़ फ्रॉम माई फेवरेट Miniso. So let's get started. The first, okay, Miniso से जो भी लिया है सब कुछ बहुत 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 random है. So the first thing that I got is clothes stain remover wipes. या इफ़ यू नो मी यू नो कि मैं चलते फिरते कपड़े पे खाना या ड्रिंक या कुछ भी हो गिराती हूँ. सो आई थिंक स्टेन रिमूवर वाइप रियली मेड अ लॉट ऑफ सेंस फॉर मी, सो आई गॉट इट. अभी तक इसको ट्राई नहीं किया है बट आई एम होपिंग अच्छा होगा बिकॉज ये उनके बेस्ट सेलर में था. नेक्स्ट आई ऑल्सो गॉट अ सेट ऑफ हेयर स्टाइलिंग टूल्स फ्रॉम मिनिसो, जो कि मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है. मिलेगा तो आई विल अटैच अ फोटो. हियर इज द फोटो. And yeah, again, it was there in the bestseller, so I'm hoping it's gonna be really nice. Next thing that my sister got from Miniso, it's their Barbie perfume from the Barbie collection, and this is how it looks. She is all for Barbie. She hasn't opened it, और अगर मैंने खोल दिया तो वो मुझे बहुत चलाएगी. तो this is how it is. दूर से देखते हैं. Let's move on to the clothing section. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कपड़े मैंने बहुत सारे ब्रांड से लिए, and I'm gonna show you all of it. And इसके बाद we will have the bags, and trust me, bags are worth the wait. So let's get started with the clothing first. The first thing that I have, it was from a local shop in, there's a plaza, Sunvi Plaza. I'm not sure, I'm really sorry for the pronunciation. It's near the hop on hop off thing, the starting point. This is how the top looks like. I know it looks really basic on the camera, but I'm gonna do a try on and I'm gonna show you. So here's the video of the try on. It is pretty good. It's very soft and I think it was very affordable. Like, I don't remember the price, but I just know it was very affordable. The next thing that I have, it's from the same shop. It's this. ये भी कैमरा पे बहुत weird दिखेगा, I know, so I think I will just wear and show it to you. Here's the try on. इसके अंदर एक कैमसोल भी आता है and it's from the same store. I think ये मैंने mention कर दिया है, but I hope the try on looks good. Next, let's move on to H&M. And H&M से मैंने बहुत चीज़ें ली है. Like H&M there, first of all, it's a little cheap and the collection is so good. So I got a lot of products from H&M. So let's get started. The first product that I have, it's this top. I'm gonna do a try on. Trust me, ये कैमरा पे बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छा लगता. But it's a nice green top और ये मुझे पड़ा, इसके tags लगे हुए हैं तो I can't tell you क्या prices में मिला था. This is for 49 ringgits. Which will come across like 1,000-1,200 INR. I'm gonna convert it and put it up there somewhere on the screen, taki it's easy. But for that price, I think it's really good. Next thing again from H&M is this top. It's a nice wrap top. As you can see, it's pretty good again, and इसका भी rate tag है, तो I can tell you it was for 30 ringgits, जो कि convert करके screen पे होगा somewhere. And it's pretty good. So the best part is these have like good sleeves. It's a nice wrap top. India में when I go to these to any stores in the mall, first of all sleeves नहीं होते हैं, या तो वो crop top होता है, तो कुछ ना कुछ रह जाता है. I can't get a nice top with sleeves full length, you know. I can't get it, but in Malaysia I can get it. So I did get a lot of it. We'll continue with that. Next thing again from H&M, it's a nice bodycon dress. It looks like this, if you can see. It can't fit in the screen, but I'm gonna add a try on, and this was for 69 ringgits. Again, very good. India mein again, bodycon dresses, most of them do not have sleeves for some reason, or they have a slit here. I don't know why. Most of the dresses we get in India, unme ek slit hota hai. So I'm so happy that I got something in Malaysia which doesn't have a slit, has full sleeves, full coverage, everything. So I'm done with H&M. Let's move on to Max. Yes, Max Fashion, जो कि इंडिया में है, आदित्य बिरला ग्रुप का है, वो भी मलेशिया में है. एंड इनफैक्ट मलेशिया में उसका बहुत अच्छा कलेक्शन है कंपेयर टू व्हाट वी गेट इन इंडिया. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज आई हैव इज दिस टी शर्ट. इट्स अ पोलो टी शर्ट एंड इट वॉज ऑन सेल देयर. क्लियरेंस में था तो आई पिक्ड अप. इतना बहुत खास नहीं है. इट इज़ फॉर 25 ringgits, बट सेल में था, सो आई मीन 25 ringgits इसका सेल ही प्राइस है. सो आई जस्ट वेरी रैंडम परचेज, आई गॉट इट. Next thing I got, again, it's from Max, but it's a really nice, super cute dress. I don't know camera kitna justice kar raha hai, but this is a really nice full length dress with sleeves. Yes, and it was for 59 ringgits. And ये भी Max से लिया था. Bro, Max there has so good collection. मतलब इंडिया में क्या चल रहा है I don't know. Indian brand मलेशिया में better collection रखती है compared to India. Like, but I got this and I'm pretty happy about it. So next brand that I shopped from, it's called Panda Eyes. इसका एक store था Central Market में, and I loved this brand. Like इसमें इतने सस्ते कपड़े and इतने अच्छे कपड़े थे. I loved this. So I got a bunch of items from there. So let's get started. First thing I got is this This is a shirt, you can see, and this was for like 15 ringgits. And I think for that price, very good. Like this was a random purchase. ऐसे दिख गया, अच्छा लगा तो ले लिया. Next thing, however, was this thing. It's a quad set. This is the top and this is the bottom. So ये भी बहुत expensive नहीं था. I think this was for 35 ringgits, and I think for that price, it's good. Like it's a full quad set that I'm getting for that price, and I think for that price it was totally worth it. Next thing I have is this from this brand called Voy, and this is a shirt. Again, very random. I am gonna add a try on though. यहाँ पे sleeves में कुछ detailing भी की हुई है. Doesn't look very good on camera. Like I'm gonna do a try on because मैं just दिखा रही हूँ ना. I'm sure वो जितना अच्छा होगा उससे काफ़ी बुरा दिख रहा होगा. So this is it, and इसका I think this was a little expensive, like not very expensive, 77 ringgits. I think for that price still ये real life में बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. The quality is so good, so nice sheen. So I think totally worth it. Now we have come to the final part, and I'm here to show you the bags that I got. Oh, I love these bags. I have become a bag person. I was not a bag person, but I think after going to Malaysia, I have become a bag person. So let's start with the bags. The first bag that I have, it's from a brand called Vinci, and I've put it in the care bag. I'm sorry. This is how it looks. Please tell me the camera is doing justice. If not, I'm gonna check while editing, and if not, then I will just add a video. So this is like a really pretty bag. Please tell me it is pretty. Like I don't know kitna justice camera kare, but this is very pretty, and it is not very expensive also. Like I don't know the price. Let me search. But yeah, so the price is 100 ringgits, which comes to around 2.5, but I think still for that price it's pretty good. Next bag that I have, I got it from Central Market. So let me show you. That's how it is in the bagged care bag. This is how it looks. This is such a pretty bag. Like it just calls for a beach vacation. Now I really want to go to a beach vacation just to use this bag, and it comes with a string as well. This is how it looks after opening. It has like a lot of space. You can nicely put my phone, my charger, my power bank. Yes, I have an iPhone और मुझे हमेशा power bank लेके घूमना पड़ता है. Since it's old, तो अब उसकी चार्जिंग ज़्यादा देर चलती नहीं है, and especially अगर मैं कैमरा यूज़ करती हूँ तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं चलती. But this bag has my heart. Like प्लीज़ टेल मी, दिस इज़ वेरी प्रिटी. एंड आई डोंट नो, मलेशिया जाने से पहले मैंने बहुत सारे व्लॉग्स में इस टाइप के बैग्स देखे थे, और मेरे माइंड में था कि एक तो ऐसा बैग मुझे लेना ही है. एंड कमिंग टू द कॉस्ट, दिस इज़ 79 ringgits, so I still feel for the price. It's very good. I also did shop from Adidas from the Genting Premium outlets. तो basically जब आप Genting Highlands जाते हो, the Avana Sky Cable Station वहीं पे है. Like you don't have to go up, downstairs ही Genting Premium outlets है, जहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स रहते हैं, क्रेजी डिस्काउंट्स रहते हैं. तो वहाँ से मैंने Adidas से ये एक बैग लिया है. This is how the bag is. It's a very nice छोटू backpack. And guess the price. This was literally, I don't know, 40 ringgits, जो कि कन्वर्ट करके 800-900 कुछ आता है. I think it was a steal. Like I don't know इंडिया में इसका क्या प्राइस है, but I felt it was really cheap, nice, because Miniso में ही I think 1000-1500 का बैग आता है. So for that I really loved it. A nice Adidas bag, so I got it. वहाँ पे शूज़ भी बहुत cheap थे. I think you can go as low as 3,500 for an Adidas shoe there. So if you're visiting there, please visit Genting Premium Outlet. Remember, cable car के स्टेशन पे ही है. You don't have to go. I mean, you have to go up and nice explore. But ये Premium Outlets नीचे ही है. To explore it, बहुत crazy discounts रहते हैं. Now we have come to the end of the video, and we have the star of the show, my most expensive purchase on the trip, my Charles & Keith bag. Yeah, this is how the bag looks like. I don't know कैमरा कितना जस्टिस कर रहा है, बट दिस इज़ अ रियली नाइस प्रिटी बैग. मेरे विश लिस्ट में ऐसा एक सिमिलर बैग था, बट फ्रॉम माइकल कॉर्स, जो कि लाइक 80,000 का था. बट दिस वन आई गॉट फॉर अराउंड 300 ringgits. एंड इसका इंडिया में प्राइस लाइक वी कंपेयर्ड इट फॉर फ्यू बैग्स, तो जो इंडिया में 10-12,000 का था वो वहाँ 6-7,000 का मिल रहा था, तो वी डिड फील कि वहाँ सस्ता है, तो we got, and this is Charles & Keith bag. By we I mean me and my sister, and we did shop a lot. This is what I have shopped, and imagine इतना ही उसने भी shop किया है, so yeah, she has also shopped a lot. Okay, lastly some very random purchase जो कि मेरे पास है नहीं, but those were really good, and I will attach pictures. So number one is I got these bags from Panda Eyes, and these I'm gifting to my friends, so that's why I don't have it. Next thing, I have this really nice keychain. Again, this is for gifting. Then I think I did talk about the fridge magnet, but this is another one. The local, it's just something I got from a local market, a local fridge magnet from my own fridge. You can have a look. It's pretty good. Yeah, that's it for the random purchase. If I have anything else, I'll just add it as well. Before I conclude, let me give you some information कि आप कहाँ जाके shopping कर सकते हैं. सो नंबर वन इज़ बुकित बिंतांग, जहाँ पे हमने बहुत सारी शॉपिंग की. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्ट्रीट मार्केट लाइक स्ट्रीट शॉप्स हैं, और एक मॉल है सुनवी प्लाजा, विच आई एम not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's next to the Hop on Hop Off का start point. I'm going to add the location, the spelling, everything. तो वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे लोकल स्टोर्स हैं. वहाँ पे घुसते साथ एक राइट साइड में स्टोर है जहाँ से हमने कपड़े लिए हैं, एंड इट वॉज प्रीटी गुड. देन वहाँ से बहुत सारे चॉकलेट्स आप ले सकते हो, वो लोकल स्टोर्स है जहाँ पे आपको मिल सकता है. इफ़ यू वांट ब्रांड्स, सेम एरिया में पेविलियन मॉल है, सो यू कैन गो देयर एंड यू कैन परचेज थिंग्स फ्रॉम द ब्रांड. नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल गो इज़ पिटालिंग स्ट्रीट, चाइना टाउन. तो वहाँ पे हम गए थे, बट वहाँ पे बहुत मोस्टली रिप ऑफ थे, एंड आई डोंट बाई रिप ऑफ. लाइक आई वुड रादर बाई नॉन ब्रांडेड स्टफ्स देन रिप ऑफ. तो आई डेंट गेट एनी थिंग, बट इट्स अ रियली नाइस स्ट्रीट मार्केट, और वहाँ बहुत बार्गेनिंग चलती है, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो गो एक्सप्लोर दैट. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज सेंट्रल मार्केट. आई रियली लाइक सेंट्रल मार्केट. वहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी, बट फॉर सम रीजन मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि सेंट्रल मार्केट इज़ गोना बी वेरी वेरी चीप, विच इज़ नॉट द केस. मतलब स्टैंडर्ड प्राइसेस है, हर मार्केट में सेम ही प्राइसेस हैं, तो सेंट्रल मार्केट में भी वही प्राइसेस है. बट वहाँ पे स्पेशली द बीच बैग दैट आई गॉट, दैट इज़ फ्रॉम सेंट्रल मार्केट. अ लॉट ऑफ चॉकलेट्स लाइक द माइलो चॉकलेट्स वो वहाँ पे थे, एंड इवन द पांडा आइज स्टोर आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड. लाइक वहाँ पे आई फेल्ट कपड़े कलेक्शन बहुत अच्छा था, एंड प्राइसेस बहुत कम थे. सो आई एम गोइंग टू अटैच ऑल द लिंक्स. स्क्रीन पे होगा, और कुछ नहीं हुआ तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में तो पक्का सब कुछ होगा. नेक्स्ट प्लेस दैट आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड टू शॉप इज़ जेंटिंग हाईलैंड्स प्रीमियम आउटलेट. सो आप जब जेंटिंग हाईलैंड जाते हो, सो दिस अवाना स्काई केबल कार स्टेशन, तो वहाँ पे ही है नीचे, लाइक बिफोर यू गो टू जेंटिंग हाईलैंड्स, वो नीचे ही है जेंटिंग प्रीमियम आउटलेट्स. और वहाँ पे क्या क्रेजी डिस्काउंट्स रहते हैं. मोस्टली लाइक ब्रांड्स हमने वहीं से लिए हैं. आई विल अटैच अ फोटो कि वहाँ से हमने कितनी शॉपिंग की है. बट या, सो देयर यू कैन गेट लॉट ऑफ ऑफर्स. लाइक लग्जरी ब्रांड्स लाइक माइकल कॉर्स एंड ऑल पे तो 70% तक ऑफ रहता है, तो आप वहाँ पे लो. देन देर इज़ ऑल्सो जेंटिंग आउटलेट जब आप ऊपर चले जाते हो, तो वहाँ पे भी है, बट वहाँ पे भी डिस्काउंट्स रहते हैं, बट नीचे जितने डिस्काउंट्स है उतने ऊपर नहीं रहते. बट हमने ऊपर से भी बहुत क्रेजी शॉपिंग की थी. चार्ल्स एंड कीथ वगैरह हमने ऊपर वाले मॉल से ही लिया था. सो दैट्स दैट. नेक्स्ट, इफ़ यू आस्क मी सम स्टोर्स जो वहाँ से आप ले सकते हो, H&M आई थिंक हैज़ ग्रेट कलेक्शन. देन मैक्स भी वहाँ का बहुत अच्छा है, ग्रेट कलेक्शन, ग्रेट प्राइसेस. चार्ल्स एंड कीथ आपको इंडिया से पक्का सस्ता पड़ेगा. माइकल कॉर्स, कोच भी सस्ता पड़ेगा. देन देयर इज जेंटिंग प्रीमियम आउटलेट्स, वहाँ पे एडिडास भी बहुत चीप है, तो वो सब चीज़ें हैं. एंड what else, let me think. Yeah, Panda Eyes, of course. Panda Eyes is my favorite brand. Like I don't know if it's a brand or if it's just a store, but I really love the collection and the prices. I did get a lot of bags also from them, but that I have gifted it to my friends, so I don't have it now. And so yeah, that was it for the video. I hope you did enjoy. Malaysia में बहुत कुछ है घूमने को and shopping करने को, तो crazy options है. Like you can never get over shopping there. So yeah, this is just a little bit of what I got. I know it's not a little bit, it's a lot, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for giving your time to my haul, and let's hope I'll be making more hauls in the future. And let me know in the comment ki what is your favorite product, which one do you think it's a really nice purchase, and which one do you think ki बहुत random purchase था और मुझे नहीं लेना चाहिए था. Please, I'm open to everything, so leave it down in the comment. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.